Hi, Boone.
Hi, David.
Hi, David.
Hey, Rajesh, how are you?
Hey, good morning. Hi, Bun.
All right, yes.
Hey David, hey everyone.
Morning, everybody.
James.
Hey, guys.
Hello.
Hey, John, how are you today?
I'm doing well. How are you, Dave?
Very good.
Good.
Finally over the hump since yesterday, so should be getting closer to the full weekend.
Definitely.
Okay. Okay. Let maybe give if anybody else is going to join. Hi, Anshu.
Yeah, hi.
Have you have we met before? Have you joined CDX before?
No, I have not. So I can briefly introduce myself. I'm more coming from the cost modeling, the business angle of for chiplets.
Okay.
And I'm just trying to kind of soak in whatever and learn whatever I can learn from the other streams.
Okay. Wonderful.
Uh,
Which company do you work for? Which company do you represent?
I don't represent a company. I'm currently an independent consultant. I used to work for Deloitte.
Okay.
And prior to that, come from a packaging, a back-end background in semiconductor manufacturing. Used to work for Motorola, Intel, a bunch of other guys, and then have been consulting for a few years.
Okay. Wonderful. Well, welcome.
Thank you. And a little bit of just this interest. I mean, the other part of the interest is that I've been as part of Deloitte, and even after, been advising the NSTC and NIST on chips, and we're getting into advanced packaging. So that's the immediate interest.
Okay, wonderful. Okay, I understand. Welcome to CDX. Maybe we ourselves can do a quick intro for ourselves. I'm David Rachkov with Trace Systems. My background is power, thermal, advanced packaging. The hard problems of chiplets, right? So, and it's the fun stuff. And I help to run this meeting these days from time to time. Who would like to go next to do a quick intro? Should I? Would somebody volunteer or should I go to the list? Actually, this list for some reason keeps jumping on me. It's switching orders. James, go ahead next.
Sure. Yeah, I'm James Wong, and my background is all on the heterogeneous integrations. On the chip design, like we previously at the Jigu, we work on the interposer, help people to build custom chiplets. And I have been with CDS for about 2 years. I also beside actively in this CDS, we also help to build the CDXML, which is a standard format in the chiplet integration design. And extending from there, we're also working on the 3DK, which consists of the material design kits, like assembly design kits and others. So, welcome, Ensu.
Thank you, James.
Lal, go ahead.
Yeah, okay. Hi, my name is Subramanian Lal Gudi. Go by Lal. I work in Siemens EDA. My background is in simulations for different multiphysics, electrical, thermal, electrothermal, so on and so forth. Applications include signal integrity, power integrity, advanced packaging, power electronics, all those things that require simulation. I look at it from that point of view. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Anshu.
Yeah, nice to meet you. I ping you offline if you're doing anything in digital twins. I'll take that conversation offline.
Yeah, sure. Thanks.
Boone, go ahead.
Hi, my name is Boon Chong, or can you call me ABC from Intel. My background is basics on backend design. That's all.
Okay, thank you, Boone. Rajesh, go ahead.
Hi, my name is Rajesh Penderkar. I'm currently working with Capgemini, directing their silicon engineering program. My specialty is design for test, and I enrolled in CDX and OCP more than a year from now. Also involved in business as well as this testability for the chiplets. Good to see you, Anshu.
Yep, good to see you, Rajesh.
John.
Yeah, I'm John Chalk. I'm also with Siemens EDA. I'm an application engineer focused on signal integrity and power integrity. Anything IC packaging related, specifically, advanced packaging, chiplet design. So nice to meet you all. To those of you that are new.
Yep. Thank you, John. And Mark, how is your audio?
Is it getting better?
Yep.
Okay, thanks. Sorry about that.
I saw you jump in and out of the meeting, so I assumed you have audio problem.
Yeah, I must have used the wrong invite link. Sorry about that. I'm Mark Malinowski. I'm also with Siemens EDA. I lead the systems engineering group focused on electronics for systems engineering, and have been working with this team over the past several months on integrating model-based systems engineering to the CDX workflow.
All right. Thank you, Mark. I apologize for the background beeping, but that's gone. Never mind. All right. Today, light agenda. I wanted to go over the white paper, see what's left, and if we have had a chance to work on it. So let me open the paper and see where we are. Maybe let me start. Has anybody had a chance to work on this in the past week? I'll start first and say that I had to travel so didn't have a chance to spend much time on this. Mark, remember I with since you're here, talked about a little bit the architectural planning, and I added something, a little piece about power towards the end of it. This is okay. I apologize for the quick scroll, but which one was your section? Was it somewhere? Oh yeah, here, right? You had architecture exploration, performance simulation, and then I added a little picture of a high-level power simulation, and kind of highlighted that this goes to power, thermal, and mechanical simulations.
Okay, great. Yeah, we had talked about that. I never quite got to it, so thanks.
Yeah. Take a look. Feel free to rearrange. Did you want a picture showing thermal behavior, or would that be too much? For thermal, right, what the reason I'm asking is, for thermal, it's usually good to show the transient behavior, since you already have the performance simulation here that shows waveforms, and here's the power waveforms. For thermal, though, I can show waveforms, but these are not, I mean, waveforms of transient temperature, but these are not kind of interesting without the movie that goes with those, right? To show how different parts heat up and so on.
Yeah, well, certainly there's a trade space aspect of the power temperature relationship, and if we can address it this early in the flow, that would be awesome. But I don't know how. I'm not clear on how that would be received by the audience, because typically we don't see that type of relationship being managed at the architecture level. At least that would be my take on it.
Okay.
I mean, but maybe some reference to it, if there's some detail we're going to put later in the design flow. I mean, some comment or mention about it might be appropriate. You have something there. I hadn't looked at this prior, so apologize, David.
Yeah, no, yeah. I only put a reference to the thermal analysis section.
Okay.
That really this early performance simulation of a chiplet system can actually go into thermal, but not necessarily putting it in this section, just referencing the thermal section
Yeah,
and mechanical.
that seems enough for now.
Yeah, that's what I kind of thought. I managed to generate grand total of 2 sentences with this picture. Writing text is not my forte. I probably should put this into ChatGPT and it will give me 2 pages, but I'll think about it. If it needs to be improved. Yeah, take a look and let me know.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, and I think you're considering this section done, right? Yes.
Yeah, unless there's some specific issue that needs to be addressed, we've had that 100% for
Yeah, for some time. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's see. Oh, I see we have a few new people, KK and Jawad. Is that you showing up as Palo Alto Electron?
Yeah, I'm here. This is KK, right? Yep.
Yeah, this is Jawad here. Sorry.
Hey, Jawad. Okay. We have Anshu, who has decided to join us today. Let's do a quick intro for the new guys. KK and Jawad, if you don't mind introducing yourself to Anshu. And Anshu, maybe you can introduce yourself to Jawad and KK as well.
Yeah, I'm KK from Applied Materials. We are interested in HI and chiplets. Yeah, thanks.
Yes, hi, Anshu. I'm Jawad Nasrullah from Palo Alto Electron, and I'm one of the organizers for CDX. Welcome.
Yes.
Thank you, KK and Jawad. As my name shows up, my name is Anshu Bahadur. I have a background in backend packaging and lately into technology strategy consulting, focused on semiconductor manufacturing.
Okay. So just Anshu, for a quick intro of Jawad. So Jawad is actually the CDX elder. Me and James are helping with meetings, things like that. But Jawad is really the main brains behind all of this.
Oh no, I mean, I just was one of the initial ones, and now everybody else is taking it to the next level. But thank you, David.
Yeah, no, you're welcome. Okay. Switching back to the white paper. I hope you guys can context switch fast enough. Okay. Architectural flow. Okay, this one is done. Okay. But let's make sure that we have this correctly. So let me just review quickly. Authors: Mark, Kevin, James, Joe, Satish, Lal, John. Okay, all right. Okay, let's go to the okay, anybody, any section that they want to highlight that we want to review, or should I go through the sections one by one, see where we are, see what needs to happen next? Well, since you're here, okay, let's talk about signal integrity and power integrity.
Nothing changed, David.
Okay.
That's why
Is it done? It says 92%. Do you think we're done?
Yeah, signal and power integrity done.
Okay. And you have added the input-output table, right? We talked
I
about it last
have,
time.
but I think that I have to make sure that we spoke about that, referencing that to the common thing, right?
Yes.
The
Okay.
acronyms, I think that is still. Why don't you put 99%, just so that nobody forgets that that needs to be done. That thing has to be done. Yeah.
So you know that but there's this paradox: mathematicians prove that the dog will never catch the rabbit, right? Because at the first step it's halfway the distance, then on the second step it's halfway the distance, and every next step is still halfway of the distance. So we are trending towards 99%, 100% very slow. Okay. Okay, but we'll add. Let me take a note.
Yeah.
The references.
Okay, I'll get that done. I'm working on those
Okay.
abstracts for the chiplet summit. So
Yes. Okay. For the chiplet summit.
yeah, I asked a personal extension, so they gave me extension until Friday.
Oh,
Well,
nice.
I just sent you an update.
Oh, thank you.
Some changes
you,
to that. So take a look at that when you get a chance.
Right.
Perfect.
Can you put a comment there, David, and assign to Lau, and then so that
Actually, yeah, I like your idea, James. I will remove this 99%. It really bothers me, and we'll add a comment.
Add hyperlinks.
Okay, here we go.
you can highlight the title.
Which email do you want, Lau? Gmail or Siemens?
Sorry,
but
I was
never
muted.
mind.
Please, Siemens.
Yes, okay. Oh, now they added the assignment. Assign this to a person. Okay,
Oh.
cool. Okay. STA, Tony was working on this. Not sure if he has had a chance to work on this.
No idea.
Yeah, he said he traveled this week. I think he will probably look into next week then.
Yes, okay. Tony still has to review mechanical.
So there's a Boon's comment over there. Is there something that we need to address?
I will. Sorry, this keeps going up and down. I'm assuming that Tony will review this.
Ah, okay, all right. Right, I think that's, yeah, probably right, Tony. Yep.
This is asking me too many questions.
Yeah, that's weird. I don't know why it is.
Okay, this one done. Link. Okay. Here's the stuff. Okay. Joe, is there anything left on the DF2 section? Rajesh? Are you still here? Yep. I don't see any comments.
I did not get chance, but there was a input output table, I think last time, but I need to check with Joe.
Okay. Okay, okay, this one. I'll give it to you, to both of you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. This one. Can I do it at everyone? No. Oh, no. Okay. Only. Wow. Behold. Roger. Joe. Mark, do you have any references that you would need to add? Oh,
I don't know. I'll have to check, David.
okay. Did they add James already? David. Oh, John, I forgot, missed you. That was totally unintentional.
No problem. Thanks.
Okay. Glossary. So we have glossary already at top. The references. Yeah, okay, we have references here. These are just demo stuff. Let me get rid of this boilerplate stuff. And let me clean this up. You know what? I'm going to keep the table because I want to see how they formatted this. Conclusion. We should have a conclusion is a good thing to have. Glossary references. James, I think you added this CDXML JEDEC here, but we need to move it to the other references section. We just have a duplicate of.
Sure, yeah. Did I add that or somewhere add that? It
Okay.
looks like.
Okay.
But anyway, we can.
Yeah,
fix it.
Boone, I will move. Boone, so you added this reference. Do you have a link to it somewhere in the text?
Yes, I think so. That's why I added here.
Okay. So I will actually add this to myself to there's a section. And James, this is for you to merge. Also, this is already covered above. Conclusion reference. All right, let's go from the top. Mechanical, we said we're done. STA Tony needs to work on. Signal integrity done. Thermal modeling. Let's see, is it input output table? Okay, I need to reformat this. I'll understand my own typos. Okay. Thermal power planning. Power planning, 100%. And then I need to, okay, again, reformat and restart table. Okay. Here's the power planning section. This is physical planning. Physical planning, this looks good. Is anything left on the physical planning section? James, I know you put in most of the work here. Are we?
Yeah, I think it should be mostly ready. I think last thing we talk about that table and we review that. And yeah, I think those should be good.
Okay. I think what we talked about is the personas.
Yep.
Right.
Yep.
Can I send it to you?
Sure. I can update that.
There you go. Physical planning, functional simulation. You also did this one, right?
Yeah. I think I need to update the table also, the persona and references.
Okay, so you have added this. Okay. No, we already have a link to the table.
Yeah, thanks to you as an example.
Yeah, my great contribution to the section.
Yep.
Without it, people would be totally lost. So they wouldn't know where to find all this stuff. Anyway, sorry. Functional simulation. Done. Okay, this architectural analysis. I forgot, is there input output table? Yep. No. You know what? I added this to the wrong one. This is, I added this to the functional simulation. No, functional simulation. Okay, okay.
It's correct. Yeah.
Yeah. Sorry, I thought I'm in different section.
Yeah, it's sometimes like too.
Yeah, this is big. This is good.
Except the table ring then. Oh,
I'm sorry.
the table reference.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I will add those at the end. Yeah, that's why I'm not adding these, because that's okay. I can go and add it. Or
Yeah.
if anybody has free time, go ahead and add it. But this looks good, actually. This looks good. Partitioning, tripletization. This set we are done. Glossary. I'm gonna again add a comment for everyone. Tony, sorry. Siemens, James, John. Wow. Li Hong, Roger, me, Ash, Mark. Anybody else I'm missing? Okay. I can always add people later.
Yeah. Did you add Joe?
I think I did, yes.
Okay.
Maybe I didn't.
Yeah, you can add my name too.
I
Oh,
think
did I miss you? Oh no, you're here.
Rajesh is there. Yeah.
Oh, okay,
Yeah.
good. I think I'll take a look.
I'll never miss you, Rajesh.
Thanks, David.
You're most welcome. All right, so okay, let's look at the this table. This is going to give us an overview where we are. Okay, so personas says 100%. Let's take a look at this. We need a little bit introduction to this. Anybody willing to add a few words about the persona section to add an introduction? I'll just add a comment that if not, yeah. Let's go back to the table. Partitioning, utilization, then architectural analysis, planning workflow, functional simulation, physical planning workflow, STA. Tony just needs to do this one. Okay, so I already have that link. that added. Mechanical simulation done. Test workflows. This is done. Just need input output tables. Okay, references in conclusion.
Can you can you scroll back on the top again? Okay, you have that in top. I think like the SQL summary that still
Yes.
need to. Yeah. Okay. That's
Yeah,
it.
we still need to do this. And let me go. Why does executive summary take me here? That's okay. Jawad, since you are here, you get a few action items. Okay. And this is one for me. Format cleanup. Okay. So this paper is looking quite good, actually. Just a few minor touches, and we should be good to go. These appendices I can remove. Okay. This was just demo, kind of what what we had in mind. This is some master. I need to figure this one out. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Need to review these comments that Boone and everybody has put in. So I'll do that. Wow, we are at 94 pages. Good job, guys. Good
Not
job.
bad.
You should call it instead of white paper.
Yeah. We should call it the ultimate guide to chiplet integration. This is actually what do you guys say if we call it like this? Guide to integration workflows for heterogeneous chiplet system. The complete guide. The first.
I think that is starting from good.
Heterogeneous will be
Sounds a bit arrogant.
Yeah. I was just testing you guys to see at which point you'll realize what I'm doing.
The authoritative guide.
Yeah. The first authoritative guide.
heterogeneous will be removed, right? It can be homogeneous as well as chiplet, right?
I'm sorry, you're saying say that again.
I mean, heterogeneous to be removed because it's purely about chiplet subsystem integration. It's not restricted to heterogeneous. It can be homogeneous as well, right?
Yeah, but homogeneous is subset of heterogeneous. That's why we kind of kept that. Let's keep it like this. I like it.
Okay.
And this is authors. I need to figure this one out better. See if I can put these names on 2 columns or something like that. Does anybody have preferences about how the names are ordered?
Typically either by last name or first name, right?
Yeah, just alphabetically is fine, I think. Just go
Okay.
alphabetically first name. Unless anyone has
How about I do it
anything.
alphabetically by last name?
Yeah.
Also fine.
To be even more confusing. But maybe I
Sure.
should do it alphabetically by the second word of the company name.
There you go.
But yeah, okay. I'll do it alphabetically by the last name. Any objections?
It would be me. I would be last one if using that. But
Oh yeah, you're already last.
I'm last anyway, so
Yeah. You know what?
that's okay. That's okay.
I should change my name to David Armstrong. And then that way. How about by the second? But
Armstrong will get out of. They will try to kill you, David.
Yeah. How about I put it alphabetically by the second letter of the last name, or second letter of the first name? Yeah. Just kidding. Anyway.
I see a trend.
Yeah. Okay. Good. All right. I'll touch base with the folks that I just gave action items to. Make sure for the next Thursday, we clean that up, and I'll try to do a little bit of editing and reformatting, things like that. So if anybody is editing and see things move live, don't be surprised. That's probably me screwing around with the white paper. And we should be ready to publish this. Maybe I'll touch base with Bapi and get on the calendar for the IC, for the server group and the IC incubation committee to get this paper presented and hopefully approved.
Yeah, David, maybe you can quickly go over the timeline again. I think like when you have the process, how long it takes going to be available, right?
So I'll talk in
Yeah.
So in reverse, the way there's multiple steps. First, I present this to server group. Server group is our subgroup of OCP. I present to them, get their feedback. If everything is okay, I need to get on the calendar for the incubation committee. Incubation committee meets, I believe, once a month, usually towards the beginning of the month. So if everything goes well, I should be able to hit them with this in first week of November. Then we wait for comments and feedback for 2 weeks. And if there's nothing, if there are comments, we clean them up, address those. But if there are no comments, the minimum is 2 weeks. After that, this goes for publishing. And then it's just the technical time to publish this, maybe about a week or a few days. So assuming best case scenario, this will be out on the OCP website towards the end of November. As a Thanksgiving gift to the heterogeneous integration world, we'll share our collective knowledge. So end of November is best case scenario. And I will let you know when I have those meetings. Definitely would appreciate your help. And if you guys can join me, if we show in force, then we can address any questions there and also show our presence and our interest. So I will keep you updated on the dates and timelines and scheduled meetings.
Sounds
David,
good.
can you possibly share a link to the white paper? I'd just like to kind of read it.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, thanks.
Can you send me your email address and I'll just share the paper with you?
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it first name dot last name at Thrace or something like that,
Or just first name at Trace.
Okay, got it.
I realize my last name is difficult to type, so first name, I have also alias first name at Trace.
Okay.
Although I have been known to mistype my first name too. Anyway, okay. All right, so let me get a review. Okay. Chiplet Summit. So Lal, you got extension to submit. I'm hoping that everybody else was able to submit on time.
Yeah, I did submit it last Friday.
Very
Haven't
nice.
anything yet. Have you heard anything?
No,
Okay.
I submitted last Friday. Naturally, there were problems with the system, but they fixed it quickly, and I was able to submit. Pretty much the last day. James, you sent me the slides for the OSP Global Summit, but I absolutely had no time to review them. I promised I will, but then travel took over and didn't have. So it is what it is. I'm sure it will be good.
Okay. Yeah. I mean, I think probably, you just kind of like where we talked about the other day and mention each other in that,
Yes.
Yeah.
Definitely. That's the point.
Right.
Okay. What else is on your minds? I don't have anything else on the agenda right now in my mind. What's on what else is on your mind? Oh yeah, I forgot important stuff. For the Global Sim Summit, we talked about whether we should do a face-to-face meeting. So tentatively, we should meet face-to-face the last day of the summit in the afternoon. My thinking is we can do a 2-3 hour face-to-face meeting and then drive over here close by and have drinks and food and things like that. I'm working on a place that will host us.
Wait, David, what
So
time are you talking about?
we are talking about 3 or 4 in the afternoon because we need to be at the summit, and last day towards the afternoon things kind of die down, so we don't have to be physically present there, and we can jump off of the summit and meet face to face at a different location, because not everybody in CDX has tickets to the summit. This way we'll accommodate everybody who doesn't have passes for the summit. We'll meet face to face, do a quick working meeting, and then break out for the fun part.
Okay, so I am a flight immediately after around 6:30 at San Francisco Airport. So
On Thursday?
Yeah, on Thursday, because
Oh,
that's the
shoot.
only way I can get here around midnight back in Texas. So I'm wondering if we
Oh,
can do
okay.
this on a Wednesday night or a Tuesday night. I mean, I mean, if others are free, then I'm okay. A little bit and then go.
Yeah, it will be difficult, Lal, right? Because we are going to be a full day at the summit for the 2 days for sure. So definitely would not be able to, if we want to meet face to face, definitely would not be able to do it before 5 or 6. But that's a good point. How about everybody else? Any thoughts from anybody else?
I'm okay either way.
Okay. How about I send a quick poll to everybody and see what their preferences are. I'll try to do that this afternoon and get quickly opinion from people and how we organize this.
Okay. David,
So Lal,
another question.
you cannot travel on Friday?
I can. The longer I travel, the opportunity cost is high as well. So I'm just cutting short at 6:30. That's all.
Okay.
So another question, David, slightly different topic, similar topic. Is there a promotion code for OCP that you can secretly share?
No, there's
No,
no.
nobody has any promo code.
I'll tell you offline. No. Basically, no. There's no promotion code. I don't have it.
So
The only reason I'm getting a pass is because I'm on a panel.
oh, okay, I see.
OCP does not provide freebies for the summit. Not to us. Let me put it nicely this way. Okay. All right. Anything else on your minds?
One quick thing is that we have a quick update for the CDXML and also like some continuous works around the 3DK for the in the ODSA project summary meeting tomorrow.
Okay.
So,
oh
yeah.
yeah. Tomorrow. Yeah, that's important.
Feel free to join.
Show up at the 8 a.m. ODSA meeting. It's going to be very interesting.
What will be covered there, David? James?
Yeah, it's just a summary of the status of the CDXML. I think we just want to update the release that we have with the JDAC and then some ongoing work with the MTK and ATK works that we have been started recently along with the 3DK. I just want to let other groups know, right? That meeting is mainly for all right projects update across the ODSA, since we're part of the server group ODSA. So we just asked to give some updates on what has been going on. It's just kind of status updates there. And where things are. So probably we're going to share like the meetings that we have and a few lists that we have been starting creating. And beside that, CDXML has been, I think that's one major one, right? Has been integrated in the JDAC right now. Right, we're probably going to show people, I think, a way to look for that so they can start using it. And has been published on the JDAC chapter 30 website.
Okay.
Yep. Okay. Maybe we can conclude 5 minutes early. Give me a little bit of time before the next meeting. So thank you, everyone. Good work on the white paper. I'm personally excited to show up tomorrow for the 8 a.m. meeting. And we'll meet again next Thursday.
Thank you.
All right. Thanks, everyone. Have a good one.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Thank you. Thanks.
Bye.
Thanks, David. Thanks, everybody. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, come on. Oh, I forgot about you. Then you forgot about me. You just forgot all about me. Come over here, feisty one. Feisty one. Come on out of there. That wasn't your fault. Right. You tried your best. Shower,